Today's video is going to be very quick and easy. It's going to be the easiest, cheapest DIY hamster hut that you have ever seen and probably will ever see. Not all hamsters will use it, but mine will. All you need is one thing. These are paper bags. It comes in a package of 40 for $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. So all you do is you take the bag, one bag, open it up, and you just roll the bag on the outside. And that is it. Fill it with a little bit of tissue paper, some paper towels, a little bit of bedding, and let your hamster sleep in that. And that's my very quick and cheap DIY hamster hut. Not joking, it works so well. My hamster Dolce loves hers. Initially it was supposed to be enrichment, just stimulation. I put this in there, put a few treats in there. She ended up loving it and now sleeps in it all the time. She chooses this over the other two huts that I have in her habitat. So yeah, if you're looking for a very cheap option and something you don't have to wash, you can just garbage. Dolce, are you gonna come out and say hi? So this is Dolce. She prefers her little bag over her hut. This bag is very cheap. And she prefers to put her little nest in there. It's actually really cute. She does not want to come out because she's still half asleep. So this is where she's decided to sleep. The cutest thing ever. When you buy $5 huts or if you buy $10 huts, sometimes they prefer, you can see her rolling around. Sometimes they prefer the seriously cheap option, just like a frickin' cat in the boxes. She literally just rolled and went back to sleep. There's no way she's gonna come out for me right now. Yeah, she just buried herself underneath all the bedding. And so thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, add me on social media. I will leave all that information below. If there's anything you'd like to know, leave a comment or a question, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. No joke. Okay. I'll give it a second. My birds are getting a little frisky in the corner. They just had. No, they didn't! Again. They don't care. They just had in front of me. For the millionth time. Like, why?